CluedIn is part of the Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform. As the most native master data management platform for Microsoft Azure, we can easily integrate with several of the components of your cloud architecture. On this demonstration, we'll show you how you can easily ingest, merge, and map all your data in CluedIn, how you can deliver your master data to tools like Microsoft SQL and Power BI, how you can identify issues and fix them, how you can deliver clean data to real-time dashboards in Power BI, ensure that Microsoft Purview is aware of the entire data flow and transformations, and how you can use Azure Data Factory to push data from any storage resource to CluedIn. This is an example of a CSV file that got ingested by CluedIn. The next step you take is to map your CSV against your business definition of what it represents. You can optionally use this opportunity to set relationships between that dataset and any other entity. For example, I established that this employee works for an organization. You can do that even though you have not yet created the associated record for that company. Once I process that CSV, all rows become master records. So now I can search and navigate all the deduplicated golden records in case there was any. I can also see the relationships of type works for that I have created. Once I go to the respective company record, I can see the inverse relationship between that and other employees. And notice that I still haven't loaded that company, and it doesn't matter when or who does that. CluedIn will eventually connect all records together. Now that I have my golden records, I can export them to any of my export targets. For example, I have created a stream of my employees to a Microsoft SQL Server table. I have also connected a Power BI to that Microsoft SQL table and noticed that I have several data quality issues that I would like to fix. CluedIn Clean is a perfect feature for scenarios where you can identify data inconsistency issues and fix them in a way that will never happen again. Here, I can use several string distance and phonetic algorithms to find issues and normalize them. I have, for instance, applied that to my countries, my genders, and my job titles. Now I can commit that clean project so that golden records are fixed, propagated to all the downstream consumers like Power BI, and most importantly, CluedIn will generate automated business rules so that I don't ever see those issues again. Here's an example of the fix for countries named United States and United States of America. When such criteria is met, I can execute one or multiple actions. The next step I want to show you is how we automatically communicate with Microsoft Purview. The data mapping and streaming is in constant sync with Purview on this lineage screen. Now you know where data comes from, what transformations it went through, and where it was delivered to. For example, if I go back to CluedIn and create a new stream to a HTTP endpoint, it will be represented in our Purview lineage. Finally, let me show you how Azure Data Factory can be used to transfer data from an Azure storage account to CluedIn in real time. All it takes is an activity of type copy data that points to a CluedIn ingestion point, which is nothing more than a secure webhook URL. That ingestion point data source will follow the same mapping steps we've seen before. All of that required zero coding, as much as most things you can do with CluedIn. Now that your data sources are connected to CluedIn, imagine the potential of your Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform. If you enjoyed this demonstration, please get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you.